Hello everyone, it's Brett from Push to Talk International. We're really excited today to be able to introduce you to our new T8 device. It's an integrated POC radio and body cam all in one. So let's take a look at this T8 working simultaneously with voice and video. So on the screen here you can see we've got our Push to Talk service running. This is running over LTE at the moment, and we're on a channel here. We'll just bring up the control room solution that we have. It is running on the screen behind, and we'll just open the same channel so we can see that here we're on the same channel. When I press to talk now on the device, you'll see the channel in the background light up, and you should hear some audio. Okay, so also on the screen here, you'll see that we've got a pre-record feature running. That's because we're looping the video in a pre-record loop, and that enables us to obviously ensure that we won't miss an event, but we don't have to block up the storage on the device. We'll only record when we need to. So if someone throws a punch, we just flick the switch, and we've already got the 15 seconds prior to that event happening. So that's what we're going to do now. We're going to throw the switch, and so now we are recording. If I press the PTT button, you can see we're still getting audio going out to the control room, and we'll just do some audio back. Radio check 1 2 3 4. That's coming back to the radio now. So we've got about 20 seconds of recording just done. That audio will also be captured on the video recording that we're taking, and we can pull that off the device later for evidential purposes. But we've got the full conversation from both sides, including what was going on with the control room. Whatever I do in terms of pressing the PTT button, any audio that is being said while that camera is running is also being transacted to the remote control room.